Hey, let me show you how we can charge Realme Buds Air 6. So first of all, to charge these earbuds, for sure we have to input them inside the charging case. But if you want to recharge your case, first, if you try to do this with this wireless charger, unfortunately it doesn't work because the case doesn't support this mode. You can plug here the USB-C cable. So in my case, I'm not using this cable that actually comes in the box. I'm using the cable from my old Huawei smartphone. And when you plug here the USB-C cable, you can find this information that this indicator actually lights up and it starts blinking when it is charging. And this cable, it's not connected to the charging brick, it's just connected to my monitor. So you can connect the cable, for example, to your PC, to your laptop, to the game console, or any other device with the power supply. But also you can use charging brick. Also, you don't have to use the original Realme charging brick. I'm using also the old charging brick from the Huawei, and it works fine with my Realme Buds Air 6. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.